Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Earlier, we have discussed about the graphical portion of linear equation. Today, I will discuss here with some question. I came here with some question that is related to graphical solution of linear equation of two variable. Let's see how we can solve the linear equation of two variable and how you can draw the graphical portion. Earlier I also have tell you that types of linear equation. Just I am recapping myself in front of you that linear equation of system of linear equation are of two types. One is called consistent, another one is called inconsistent. If it is consistent, then it has two solutions. One is called unique solution and another one is called many solution. If it is unique solution, then the graph of unique solution will be intersecting, look like something. One line will be crossed to each other and common point will be the solution of the linear equation. And if it is many solution, then the graph of many solution will be coincide each other. Coincide means overlap to each other. Okay, got it? Now inconsistent means there will be no solution, and if it is no solution, then the graph will be, then the line and the graph will be, lines are parallel to each other, and that's why I here say that if it is consistent. Now here is the question. The question is, draw the graph of x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertices formed by these lines and x axis, x and y axis. I have included here x and y axis, but in the question you will see that either x axis or y axis. Also find the area of triangle. This is the most important question for examination view. So when you will trying your when you are you will preparing yourself for examination, then this question is must, and this question must be revision process. You must have to keep this question in the revision process, okay, so that you will get the good marks in the examination. Now see how I am solving these questions. First of all, I will take both equation as equation 1 and 2. So let's solution. Let's see x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, equation 1. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0, equation 2. From both equation we will just dependent the y with respect to x. So from equation 1, from equation 1, it is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That's why x plus 1 is equal to y. So when you will draw the graph, take the at least two value of x. For drawing the graph, we need to at least two value of x, and we will find the value of y in respect to that value of x. So let's take what value 0, then x, y will be the 1, and if x is 1, then y will be the 2. X is minus 1, then y will be 0. X is minus 2, then y will be 1, something like that. But only 2 points can also needed for drawing the graph. No need to draw the more than 2 or anything. I have just drawn 2. This is the first time I came here with you. So I am just drawing, taking the 4 points, for that there will be no any confusion within you. Okay. So here the value of x and y you find with the help of equation 1. Now we will find the value of x and y for equation 2. So see this, from equation 2, it is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x. So y will be 12 minus 3x divided by 2. यहाँ पे एक बॉक्स बना लेंगे फटाफट 1 0. Now take the value of x. X will be anything that is whole number. So take the value of x. If x is 0, then that term 3 will be 0 and 12 divided by 2 will be the 6. if x is 2, second value you can take the value, either you can take this one 0 and add 2, 0 plus 2 will be 2, or you can subtract 0 minus 2 will be minus 2. so यहाँ पे हम 2 भी ले सकते हैं दूसरी वैल्यू में और माइनस 2 भी ले सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो हम लोग अपने हिसाब से, अपने कन्वीनियंट के हिसाब से सोच सकते हैं। यहाँ पे आपको सोचने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है कि सेकंड वैल्यू मैं क्या लूँ, कोई भी आप एक वैल्यू ले सकते हैं। और आपका सबसे आसान तरीका ये है, जो पहली वैल्यू रखा वो जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वो एक बार उसको ऐड कर लीजिए या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लीजिए, दोनों में से कोई एक पोर्शन कर लीजिए, आराम से उसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी, ठीक है। तो 2 रखा तो 3 2 6 और 1 minus 6 2, ओके, गॉट इट। नाउ here also you can say that if it is 1 will be, if I will take x is 2, if I will take x is 2, it will be 2 plus 3, so better is to take x is 2 then y will be 3, okay, got it। now because it will be the common solution in the both equation, that's why I have taken। now come to the graphical representation। now see this one, I have draw x axis and y axis mutually perpendicular to each other and represent the point, highest point in the first equation, highest, the positive of x is 2, but I have drawn taken that 6 portion so that maximum will be there, no, there will be no any confusion। y positive direction is 6, I have taken 7, one more than the 6 point, and in the negative portion of the y x it is -1, but I have drawn taken the -4 also, so there will be no any confusion, that's why I have taken extra steps, okay। first point is x is 0 y is 1, x is 0 y is 1 point is this one, then second is x is 1 y is 2, second point will be this one, x is 1 y is 2, x is 2 y is 3, x is -1 y is 0, x is -1 y is 0, third is x is 2 y is 3, x is 2 y is 3, this point। now taken together all the points, there will be one straight line, there is straight to this one। now put the equation of a line, that is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0। now second, x is 0 y is 6, this one, and x is 2 y is 3, this one। now taken together point, draw the this one, एक इक्वेशन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, लाइन मैंने ड्रॉ कर लिया। अब इस पर मैं इक्वेशन लिख लूँगा, इट इज 3x प्लस 2y माइनस 12 इक्वल टू 0। देखिए अब यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं पूरी तरह से क्लियरली एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है, एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है लाइन और एक्स एक्सिस के हेल्प से, एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है लाइन और वाई एक्सिस के हेल्प से। तो दोनों में से कौन से ट्रायंगल को लेना है, इट इज़ क्लियरली इंस्ट्रक्टेड इन द क्वेश्चन दैट taken formed by these line and x axis। question is, if it is question is something like that, formed by these line and x axis, then we will take this triangle। if the question is this side that formed by this line and y axis, then that in that case we will take this triangle, okay। so first of all I am giving the name A, B and C। now vertices of triangle ABC, here vertices of triangle ABC, vertices of triangle ABC, coordinate है, coordinate of vertices of triangle, coordinate of vertices of triangle ABC, that is A, what is this point is 2 and 3, it is 2 and 3, x is 2 y is 3, that's why I have written 2 and 3। B, it is B minus 1 and 0, C, it's 0 and 6, got it। C is 0 and 6। now